Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the incredible health benefits of fenugreek, a versatile herb scientifically known as Trigonella phenum graecum. Rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and powerful bioactive compounds like saponins, flavonoids, and alkaloids, fenugreek is a true powerhouse of health. Let's dive into its many benefits. First, fenugreek is fantastic for your digestive health. The seeds are packed with soluble fiber that helps add bulk to your stool, preventing constipation and soothing the digestive tract. It can also alleviate symptoms of indigestion and gastritis. Second, fenugreek is known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels. It improves insulin sensitivity and slows the absorption of sugars in the stomach, making it an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or looking to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Third, fenugreek is a popular herb among breastfeeding mothers. It acts as a natural galactagogue, helping to increase breast milk production and support lactation. Next, fenugreek can aid in weight loss. Its high fiber content promotes a feeling of fullness, reduces appetite, and helps you manage your weight more effectively. Moving on, fenugreek helps reduce cholesterol levels. It lowers LDL, or bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, while increasing HDL, or good cholesterol, thereby supporting heart health. Fenugreek is also beneficial for easing menstrual discomfort. Its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties can help relieve menstrual cramps and regulate hormonal balance, reducing symptoms of PMS and menopause. Next, fenugreek is known to support male reproductive health. It may help boost testosterone levels, improve libido, and enhance overall stamina and sexual performance. Additionally, fenugreek has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps reduce inflammation, protect cells from oxidative stress, and promote overall health. Fenugreek also supports heart health by reducing cholesterol, regulating blood sugar, and preventing blood clots. This can significantly reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Then, there are its benefits for skin and hair. Fenugreek's antioxidant properties help combat free radicals, promoting healthier skin and reducing signs of aging. It's also great for treating scalp issues like dandruff and promoting hair growth. Fenugreek can also help control appetite. The soluble fiber in the seeds makes you feel fuller for longer, helping you avoid overeating and manage your weight effectively. Next, fenugreek supports liver health. It has hepatoprotective effects, meaning it helps protect the liver from damage and supports detoxification and overall liver function. Fenugreek is also beneficial for respiratory health. It can help alleviate conditions like bronchitis and coughs, reducing congestion and making breathing easier. Additionally, fenugreek may have anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that its saponins and flavonoids can inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. Fenugreek may help lower blood pressure by reducing sodium retention and improving blood vessel function, contributing to overall cardiovascular health. Next, fenugreek supports kidney health. It has diuretic properties that help flush out toxins and may reduce the risk of kidney stones. Fenugreek is also great for boosting your immune system. Its antioxidants and nutrients help make the body more resilient against infections and diseases. Additionally, fenugreek can enhance exercise performance. It boosts energy levels and reduces fatigue, making it a great supplement for athletes and active individuals. Fenugreek mucilage has a protective effect on the stomach lining, helping to prevent the formation of ulcers and reducing symptoms of acid reflux. Fenugreek can also promote oral health. Its antimicrobial properties help reduce bacteria in the mouth, preventing bad breath and supporting overall oral hygiene. Fenugreek helps balance hormones in both men and women. It's particularly beneficial for women dealing with hormone-related conditions like PCOS and menopausal symptoms. Next, fenugreek may improve cognitive function. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties protect the brain from oxidative stress, supporting memory and focus. Fenugreek's anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties make it effective in reducing pain associated with conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Fenugreek also supports detoxification. It promotes liver and kidney health, helping the body eliminate toxins more effectively and maintain overall health. Lastly, fenugreek contains vitamin K, which is essential for healthy blood clotting. It helps prevent excessive bleeding and supports overall vascular health. As you can see, fenugreek offers a wide range of health benefits, from digestive support to hormonal balance and beyond. Whether you're using it as a spice, tea, or supplement, fenugreek is a versatile herb that can enhance your health in many ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural health tips. stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.